Just like the MT-09 naked bike on which it's based, Yamaha's Tracer 9 GT has come in for a major update. Let's chuck it under the microscope and see what's what.
Six years after the arrival of the original MT-09 Tracer, the Tracer 9 GT remains as Yamaha's most technologically advanced sports tourer. It's appreciably lighter and more nimble than the ageing FJR 1300 and, unlike in Europe where there's also a base spec Tracer 9, it's the only Tracer model on offer here in Australia. And the upgrade is significant. The bike producing more power and torque in a package now 7 kilos lighter, while also benefiting from a major tech upgrade, new instrumentation and semi-active electronic suspension.
The styling has been massaged to produce a sleeker, more purposeful stance, while full LED lighting is now complemented by position lights that double as clever cornering lights that actually get brighter as the angle of lean increases.
Like the MT-09, the Tracer 9 GT now rides on lighter, spin-forged alloy wheels that reduce unsprung mass, while the powerful Nissan front brakes are now mated to an R1 type Nissan radial master cylinder for even better braking feel. And to further its distance-devouring potential, the Tracer 9 GT comes standard with hard panniers, a centre stand and a touring screen, plus niceties like heated grips and electronic cruise control.
Yamaha's redesigned CP3 Triple has jumped in capacity to 889 cc's. The Euro 5 unit now churning out an extra 4 horsepower and 5.5 Newton meters, with the latter delivered 1500 RPM lower in the rev range.
Harnessing that urge is a chip-controlled ride-by-wire throttle, an improved slipper clutch and a 6-speed transmission with bidirectional quickshifter.
Ergonomically, the Tracer 9 GT treads a careful line between long-haul comfort and sporting ability, but it has a roomy, upright ride position with heaps of leg room and an adjustable seat height that's now 40mm lower.
The accommodating ergonomics make this bike a real mile eater, but it's easy to move around on too when it's time to attack the bends.
On the tech front, the Tracer 9 GT has had a massive revamp with new twin 3.5-inch TFT displays and a comprehensive suite of rider safety aids thanks to the arrival of a new 6-axis inertial measurement unit.
In addition to 4 ride modes, there's also a choice of standard or cornering ABS, plus multi-level traction control, slide control and wheelie control, plus a custom mode that allows the rider to tailor all these settings or deactivate some if desired. The semi-active KYB suspension still has manual preload adjustment but automatically adjusts damping to suit the conditions. But there's no Bluetooth connectivity or smartphone mirroring.
Righto, that's a quick rundown on what's on offer. Now let's head for the horizon and ride.
We were super impressed with the next-gen MT-09, and this Tracer 9 GT embodies all of those gains with a heap of extra features to enhance long-haul life. This triple-cylinder engine is such a refined, responsive and characterful unit. There's heaps of mid-range but plenty up top too, and the triple-cylinder note just sounds superb.
There's a real sense of precision to this ride. It goes exactly where you point it, rails through the bends and charges hard whenever you open the tabs.
The controls are all light and responsive. The brakes are strong, and I love the simple and elegant setup of all the various rider assistance systems. It's one neat and comprehensive package. As for fuel economy, we achieved an average of 5.3 litres per 100 kilometres over a mix of riding, spelling a safe working range of around 310 kilometres from the 18-litre tank. The roomy ride position is super comfy and pillions are well catered for too. I'm not getting any buffeting or turbulence from the screen, and I like the one-handed manual adjustment. So what don't I like? Well, this new Tracer 9 GT is $2,200 more than the old one, and it's over $8,000 more than the MT-09. It's got plenty of extra features, but for this sort of money I'd like to see Bluetooth, a smartphone app and fully electronic suspension in the mix. motorsports touring segment is fairly narrow these days, thanks mainly to the rise of the adventure bike genre. But if you're looking for purely road-focused performance with all-day comfort, take a good look at this Tracer 9 GT.
It may not offer quite the same bang for your buck's value as the new MT-09, but with excellent comfort, superb performance and an array of the latest rider assistance aids, Yamaha's new Tracer 9 GT still stacks up incredibly well.